welcome back to my channel. My name is Sneha, and in case we haven't met so far, then I post videos related to fashion, lifestyle and positivity. So today's video is going to be the third episode of our must-have series, and I'm going to be talking about the closet essentials. So basically, it's not only going to be including all the essentials when we come towards the clothes, but also bags, accessories, etc. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. And I'm glad that you stumbled on this video, and I really hope that you would stick around. Without further delay, let's get into the video. Alright, so first, before starting the video, I would like to point out a few things. Fashion is not at all brand oriented. यहाँ पे मैं जो भी clothes दिखा रही हूँ, if they are from a certain brand, that doesn't mean that you are also opposed or you are also forced to buy it from the same brand. आप जिस भी shop से लेते हो, आप जहाँ से भी लेते हो, you can buy it from that particular place. I am just here to share the list of the things that you can buy in order to build your wardrobe, and you can style those things in different ways. It would make your life a little more easy. So that's what I wanted to say, and now let's start. So the first item that we are going to be talking about is a blue jeans. A blue jeans can be styled with anything and everything, be it a crop top, be it a puffy sleeves top, your simple basic tank tops, each and everything. एक blue jeans होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. The two things that you need to keep in mind while purchasing the blue jeans is comfort and it's in proper shape. एक basic fitted jeans बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी होती है, and the jeans that I have is from Bershka. It's so good, you guys. It fits me so well. Now, one thing that I'm going to be talking about is whenever we go to shop a jeans, there are certain terms that we come across. First being high rise, mid rise and low rise. So basically guys, this means high waisted, mid waisted and low waisted. A high waisted jeans is just placed on your navel or a little bit above it. A mid rise jeans is a little below your navel, and your low rise jeans is certainly around your hip bone or a second below your navel. Certain other terms that we come across is light washed, mid washed and deep washed. This basically suggests the different shades of blue in your jeans. For example, if it's written light washed, it means your jeans in a lighter shade of blue, and dark washed means it is in a darker shade of blue. So a basic jeans is very important. आप उसको किसी भी चीज के साथ स्टाइल कर सकते हो. With kurta you can give it a fusion look. With your tank tops, with your basic tops, और एक well fitted jeans का होना ना बहुत ज़्यादा important होता है. So make sure that you grab a good pair of jeans as always for your wardrobe. When I talk about fashion, one thing that is definitely in my mind is a good denim jacket. Reason being, it can definitely add a good sort of layering to your basic outfit. It amps up your outfit, it elevates your outfit. So this one is a very pretty denim jacket that I have, and I would personally suggest you that you should definitely invest in a good denim jacket, be it of any color, but the denim jacket definitely elevates your look. It can be added to layering or any other form that you want to. It just elevates your outfit so well. So having a good denim jacket is definitely super. And जब हम layering की इतनी बात कर ही रहे हैं, then we should definitely take into consideration a good shirt, a classic shirt. Shirt is so good. I mean, अगर आपको एक bossy look देनी है अपनी outfit को, then definitely you should go for a good pair of shirt. Alright, so this is the one that I would suggest you. You should definitely have a white shirt. Reason being, it can definitely elevate your outfit. If you're simply wearing a cami top with a black jeans, the pop of color would be added by this shirt, and it would be so suitable for a college look. Next being a denim shirt. Now denim shirt is again something that I would definitely emphasize on. Denim on denim can never go wrong, and definitely I would suggest you to go for a pair of denim shirt. These two shirts should definitely be in your wardrobe to add a formal kind of look to your basic. Wardrobe essential is something that I think you might have had, which is a good tank top. Now what is a tank top? A tank top is basically a sleeveless top that people usually wear while going for a workout. But do you know, it can be styled in various multiple ways. Not only under your garments but also in different ways as part of layering is concerned. If you would style this with a good pair of jeans paired up with a denim shirt, it would look so college appropriate. I would definitely suggest you to for a good pair of tank top. Again, you can buy it from any local shop, from anywhere. आराम से मिल जाएगी ये चीज. I got this from Zara. Next thing is a turtleneck top. Now I have recently discovered this and I'm so obsessed that I had to definitely add this to my must-haves. Now basically some people think that turtleneck is a lot more tighter, it shows a lot of curves, but you guys, it's definitely not to be worried. Being a body positive person, I always feel like everything goes with fashion and fashion also comes with comfort. So it's very comfortable when it comes to turtleneck tops. I got this one from Zara and as you know mustard is in trend. So here is my mustard turtleneck top. I would definitely suggest you to have a good pair of turtleneck tops. I am yet to buy a lot more different colors because I'm so obsessed. Just pairing it up this turtleneck top with your denim skirt or any other form of jeans, it would definitely look so bomb. If you follow me on Instagram, you must be knowing that I've already shared a lot about it over there. Now let's talk about the next wardrobe essential. The next wardrobe essential is of course going to be skirts. Now how can a person like me not talk about skirts? Skirts is life, you know. It's comfortable, it's classy, and I would definitely suggest you to have a good pair of skirts in your closet. Talking about the two main pair of skirts that you need to have, because आजकल इतनी सारे different types of skirts चल रही हैं. Skater skirt, denim skirt, अब उसमें से कौन सी लेनी है? That is an important concern. I guess a denim skirt is a must have. As I say, denim can never go out of trend. So having a good pair of denim skirt would definitely add a kind of, you can say, amp up feel to your closet. You should definitely have a good pair of denim skirt. This is what I have. This is black in color. I really love it. A denim skirt can definitely add a good sort of classy factor to all your outfits. This very pretty black skirt, a flowy black skirt, is of course very important. I look for comfort first and I feel like this is the most comfortable skirt I have served so far. A semi-long skirt is definitely very important. Hyped up fashion essential, which is LBD. I definitely like to emphasize on a basic black dress. This is something that you can wear with anything and everything. आप इसको कहीं भी पहन सकते हो. As it has a sequin detailing on it, so it can go for your party outfits. You can go with it to anywhere, literally anywhere. So definitely I would suggest you to go for a good plain black dress. Now, by emphasizing into dresses, how can I not include a jumpsuit? Because jumpsuit is something that is, you know, a person like me would definitely choose a good jumpsuit. So this is the one that I absolutely love. If you have seen my vlogs related to my birthday, you must have seen this. This is a very pretty jumpsuit. Jumpsuit, you know, it gives a more formal vibe to your entire outfit. So if you're going formally somewhere for a dinner with your employees or something, then you can definitely go for a jumpsuit. It, you know, gives a formal vibe as well as it's comfortable. So to get that bossy factor, just go for the jumpsuits. I have one in this color and one in black as well. You must have seen this before on my channel. Jumpsuits is extremely important when it comes to giving a bossy vibe to your basic outfit. Let's talk about footwear. अब footwear में ना जब भी मैं fashion के बारे में सोचती हूँ, a lot more people show a lot of things, but I don't feel like कि इतनी सारे footwear की ज़रूरत है. So one footwear that I would suggest you is a good pair of white sneakers. Reason being, this can be styled literally with every single outfit. आपके पास अगर एक good pair of sneakers है ना, वो हर जगह चल जाएंगे. You don't need to buy any other thing. So I would definitely suggest you to go for a good pair of sneakers. This is by Puma and you can go for any one of your choice. Next being the one and only heels. How can I forget heels when I talk about fashion? You because heels is something that I personally love. Now, I would give you a good fashion tip when it comes to purchasing heels. First being, please do not buy one colored heels such as yellow or blue. It would go only with one outfit and baki outfits ke saath it would just look drab. It would literally spoil your entire look. Please don't buy any one colored heels. If you're going for heels, either go for black heels or nude heels. They can be paired up with anything and everything. I would definitely suggest you that if you're a beginner at wearing heels, please choose block heels. I personally use only block heels. I don't go for pencil heels for now. If you're a person who is good at, wearing heels or is comfortable with pencil heels, then you can definitely go for that. But for comfort, if you're looking for a comfortable pair of heels, please go for block heels. Next, talking about jewelry, definitely and wardrobe essential. Reason being that it can definitely elevate your basic outfit. अगर आप एक अच्छी statement jewelry पहनोगे, it would definitely give a kind of amp up look to your basic outfit. Talking about jewelry, you should definitely have a good choker or a layering necklace. This is what I have right now, and this is by Jewels Galaxy. If you have seen my birthday vlog, what I got for my birthday wala vlog, you must have seen this in that. I really love this. I got this on my birthday, and I would definitely suggest you to go for a good layering neck piece. Talking about the other forms of necklace, a good choker is very important. आप कोई भी basic casual outfit पहनोगे, whether you're going to college or whether you're going to any personal meeting, casual meetings, a good choker would definitely highlight your neckline as well as it would give you an amp up look as well. Talking about earrings, earrings is something that I personally love so much. So, talking about fusion wear, when you're wearing a kurti, earrings are exceptionally important. Two of my favorite earrings, in fact 3 of my favorite earrings would be oxidized. I really love oxidized earrings. Talking about this one is a very pretty silver oxidized earring. This is kind of in a smaller size, and this would definitely go for your basic outfit, your kurti look or your fusion wear. If you don't want to go, really heavy when it comes to your kurtis, you can definitely wear the last one that I showed you. If you want a detailed video on earrings, then you can definitely watch this one. This was the first episode and in fact the first video on my YouTube channel, so you can just go and give it a watch. Now, talking about sling bags. Bags have exceptionally been one of the most important obsessions that I have so far, and I just feel like bags are not only essential for carrying things outside, bahar jaane ke liye nahi, but also for that extra effortless factor. Bags really support that. Talking about the bags, I have this very pretty sling bag. This is by UCB. I am definitely in love with this because the detailing gives it an extra effortless factor. Your outfit definitely, the highlight of your look should be a good bag, and I just feel like this highlights your look so well. So you should definitely purchase a good sling bag. Sling bag is very important. Again, for the bags video, you can go and watch this one. But a sling bag is definitely a closet essential for you guys. That's pretty much it about this video. I really hope that you guys found this informative. If you did, before literally stopping the screen right now, make sure that you subscribe, you like and